All right, let's go. Make him do it because I'm recording now. My battery won't last long. Grace is in the way. This is like not as exciting as Sydney wakeboarding.
No, it's not. You're there.
Oh. Anticipation.
Of course.
Oh wait, he's thinking about it.
Because he will jump on you.
The problem is the boys are pushing him and he goes.
Exactly, you're gonna latch on.
He's a member of the very spoiled.
You know, as soon as I turn this off, he's gonna do it.
Oh yeah, he's gonna do a backflip. Right when you turn it off. Exactly, yeah.
Did you like that?
Well, I gotta say, I've been coming to Estes Park forever, and I've never done the Stanley Hotel Ghost History Tour thing, and I would highly recommend people do that. It was really cool. Have you ever done it? You should go. Dad, you would love that. It is not just what you think. I had no idea. Do you have any idea the backstory behind that? You should go do that then. It's well worth the money.
How much was it?
It's $15 for adults and 10 for kids, 10 and under. But it lasts a long time, and
You can see the whole building.